Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Systeme.io affiliate program for funnel builders, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Systeme.io affiliate program for funnel builders, start by visiting the Systeme.io website. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Fill out the registration form with your email and a password. After completing the form, click on Create an account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Systeme.io. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Affiliate tab in the side menu. Click on it to enter the Affiliate Program section. Here, you will find information about the program and commission rates. Scroll down to find the button labeled Become an Affiliate. Click on this button to start your application. You may need to provide additional information about how you plan to promote Systeme.io. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation from Systeme.io. Once approved, you'll gain access to your unique affiliate links. These links can be used to promote Systeme.io to your audience. Make sure to bookmark your affiliate dashboard for easy access in the future. Explore the resources provided by Systeme.io to enhance your promotional efforts. Consider using email marketing, social media, or content creation to reach potential customers. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly to track your earnings and performance. Stay updated with any new promotions or updates shared by Systeme.io. Now you're ready to start promoting Systeme.io as an affiliate funnel builder. Good luck with your affiliate journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.